In this video we'll look at the scoring of a round robin pairs event with Butler scoring or datum scoring. First thing to be aware of is that the event should be set up in the club events calendar. In the club events calendar, even though it may be a tournament, it has to be in the club events calendar. And I've got an event set up here, the IP trials, all played on the same day, of course. See this last one, but that's a mistake. And it's running for 5 rounds or whatever. Now with these events, they can be run as a single round robin. So with 3 tables, that would be 5 rounds, or a double round robin, that would be 10 rounds, and or a triple, or whatever you like really. You can play as many rounds as you like. So please set the event up in the club calendar of events. Okay, now the scoring. So scoring, pairs contest, we'll use an example that I've already got set up, a 3 table example. Now initially it doesn't come up as an option, but it's considered not a common, so we have to click all, and then it will show up now as round robin Butler. So we select that. We can select the number of the number of boards played in each round. We just use the plus and arrow minus button to increase or decrease the number of boards. We'll leave that at 9. And then we select our event from the list on the right. So we have got, I'll just do this event here. So I'm doing actually session number 5 of this event. I've actually already done sessions 1 through 4. I'll now do session number 5 again. So we've now got session number 5. Now showing it over here. Now that's really important, because for the round robin draw, it just ensures that we've got the correct draw for the round. So we can select scoring type of Butler datum, and then the datum method is displayed as normal. So we'll just select that one. In this case there's only 3 tables playing, so all scores are included in the datum calculation, so that's okay. It's not imperative that you choose this at this point, because as we know, we can rescore scoring match point or Butler or multiple imps later on. Anyway, so now we have got the correct details here, so we go through to the Compassmate option. Yes, no phantom. So now we have got our setup here. So this is the setup for the normal setup for round for in effect duplicate scoring. So we will key in players' names using the simulation mode of Compass, and we'll key in scores for this round. So that's done. Now we can go back and look at the result now in Compass. Okay, so that's the Butler result for this round, which is all fairly normal. Go to scoring, of course, and have a look at each board and do the normal things that you wish to do. So we're out of there. Now we can go and do the overall after our 5 rounds. So we will go club competitions. Our competition filter, I'll put that on a Sunday. It's the Interprovincial Trials, that's the name of the competition. We've now played 5 rounds, so we'll conclude 5. Minimum number, let's say 1 here. Number of subs 0. How many scores are drop 0. Handicap, doesn't sort of irrelevant. And here, in the competition type, we will say that we're going to sum up the overall scores, the imps. We're going to sum imps to determine the overall winner. So we'll select that option there, calculate result, and then Bob your uncle. There it is. So we've got the result for 5 rounds for this Butler pairs events. And then we can exit from here and exit from there. And now, of course, we're ready to do round 6, 7, 8, or however many rounds you wish to do. That's about it.